Now, i-dictionary mayithi finding favor is gaining approval. It means to gain approval with God. God must test you. That is why I do not have the authority to declare favor upon your life. Because uNkulunkulu kuze akunike favor, kumele akuhlole. Ahlole ukunyathela kwakho. Ushumayele epulpiti, uqaqabule, uqaqa ama-revelations amakhulu, mase udilike epulpiti, uthi esalandele la unyathela khona. Ahlole ukuhamba kwakho. Uhlabelele kudilika izulu, kuphanise imbane yangasentla, siphithizele sigcwala indlu, ebese uyayishiya imike, wehle stage, unyathele, uthi esanyathele emva kwakho, ahlole ukuhamba kwakho. So finding favor is gaining approval.